How to redeem a gift voucher in AAAPOS RetailManager. Just as gift vouchers must be issued to a customer, so they must be redeemed against a customer. When a customer redeems a gift voucher, and the gift voucher payment method is selected in the sales window, AAAPOS RetailManager displays the gift vouchers window, enabling you to select single or multiple gift vouchers. Go to the sales window and enter your staff number in the staff field. Enter the customer number, or the generic gift voucher customer number appearing on the gift voucher in the customer field. Enter the products being purchased with the gift voucher, and press Enter to move to the payment details frame. Select the gift voucher payment and press Enter. The amount of the sale is displayed in the Paying field. Press Enter. A window appears listing the outstanding gift vouchers for the customer. Select the gift voucher you want to process the sale against by highlighting it and pressing the spacebar. Then click Commit or press F10 to commit the information, then press Enter to commit the sale. Note that if the value of the gift voucher being redeemed exceeds the value of the purchase, you can give the customer the difference in cash by doing the following. First, enter the difference as a negative amount against the cash payment method, and then enter the full amount of the gift voucher against the gift voucher payment method. For example, if the customer is making a $17 purchase with a $20 gift voucher, enter -$3 for the cash payment method, then enter $20 for the gift voucher payment method, and select the gift voucher from the displayed list. The Commit transaction window will show $3 change to be given. Note that if the purchase exceeds the value of the gift voucher, select the gift voucher payment method, and then select the payment method by which the customer wants to pay the balance of the purchase. Please note, cash on gift vouchers. It is wise to have a stated shop policy on whether you allow cash change on gift voucher purchases.